A very good afternoon, students, and I welcome you all for English class, and I hope you all are doing good. Before going to the topic, let us all have a look, thought for the day. A great attitude becomes a great day, which becomes a great month, which becomes a great year, which becomes a great life. Children, do you know the meaning of attitude? Attitude means a feeling or opinion about someone or something. Once again, a feeling or opinion about someone or something. Okay, once again, I will read the thought, children. A great attitude becomes a great day, which becomes a great month, which becomes a great year, which becomes a great life. Children, try to understand and impart a great attitude in yourself. Okay? And now, in this class, we will be discussing about the comprehension passage. Yes? Are you all ready, children? Okay. Now, let's start with introduction of comprehension passage. What do we mean by comprehension? Comprehension means when you understand something thoroughly. So basically, the purpose of giving you comprehension passages is to make you understand and then explore the answers. First, you will understand what is written in the comprehension and then explore the answers in that passage. Okay, children? And it helps you to improve your reading skills, your concentration, and it helps analyzing power and thinking ability. Because you will be reading on your own and you will be concentrating for your answers, and then your thinking ability will develop. Yes, children. So now you read the comprehension passage carefully and then answer the questions. So students, one important thing is to follow the instructions and the given guidelines carefully. Read the passage and try to understand it and then write the answers. All the answers can easily be found in these paragraphs. So it should not be a difficult task for you. So read the question, go back to the paragraph, find the answers and copy down in your classwork. Children, and make sure that you will be using the right tense while you are writing the answers. If you are writing your answer in past tense, continue writing in past tense till the end. And do not change tenses in between. Okay? Take help of this paragraph. I hope you will be able to do that. Now, passage 1. It's a scene passage, children. It's from your textbook, page number 112. 112. Children, now let's read the passage. All of you look into your device while reading. Listen carefully and try to understand it. Okay, let's begin. Long ago, there was a guru named Dronacharya. He was a royal teacher. He taught only princes. He was the guru of Pandavas and the Kauravas. The Pandavas were five, namely Dharmaraja, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, and Sahadeva. Kauravas were 100. Dronacharya, Duryodhana, Dushyasana, and so on. Among the Sishyas, Arjuna was Dronacharya's favorite student. Do you know why? Arjuna always worked hard. He obeyed his guru and was excellent at shooting. Children, once again I will read out the passage. Long ago, there was a guru named Dronacharya. He was a royal teacher. He taught only princes. He was the guru of the Pandavas and the Kauravas. The Pandavas were five, namely Dharmaraja, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, and Sahadeva. Kauravas were 100. Duryodhana, Dushyasana, and so on. Among the Sishyas, Arjuna was Dronacharya's favorite student. Do you know why? Arjuna always worked hard. He obeyed his guru and was excellent at shooting. Yes, children. Now, see the questions carefully. Read the question carefully and think a while for answer. And then I will give you answers, children. Just you check it out whether your answer is correct or not. Okay? Yes. Read the following passage carefully and answer the questions. It's a scene passage. First bit, A. Answer the following questions. First question. Who was the royal teacher in archery? Taught only for princes. I will repeat, children. Who was the royal teacher in archery? Taught only for princes. The answer, Guru Dronacharya. Once again, Guru Dronacharya. And the second question, children, write the names of Pandavas. Write the names of Pandavas. The answer, the Pandavas were five, namely Dharmaraja, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, and Sahadeva. And third question, who was the favorite student of Dronacharya? Who was the favorite student of Dronacharya? The answer, Arjuna. Arjuna was the favorite student of Dronacharya. Yes, children, the next one is B bit. Write the past forms. That is V2 forms, children. First one, is, was. Second, work, worked. Third, teach, taught. Once again, past forms, children. Is, was. Work, worked. Teach, taught. Next is C bit. Write the plural. Student, students. Student, students. Next D bit. Write the ing form. Shoot, shooting. Shoot, shooting. Next E bit. Write the opposites. First one, short, long. Second, here, there. Again I will repeat, children. Short, long. Here, there. Yes. And the next one is unseen passage. Unseen passage. This passage is about the books. Okay, children. This is about the books. Now, I will read, children. Books help us a lot. They are our good friends. They make us happy. Some tell nice stories. Others teach beautiful songs. Still others teach us many things in the world. Books live long if we take good care of them. We should cover them. We should not tear their pages. Okay? Once again I will read, children. Just listen carefully. Books help us a lot. They are our good friends. They make us happy. Some tell nice stories. Others teach beautiful songs. Still others teach us many things in the world. Books live long if we take good care of them. We should cover them. We should not tear their pages. Okay, children, choose the correct answer. Next one is choose the correct answer from the same passage. Options also given. So you should choose the suitable answer for these questions. Okay? Yes. Now, choose the correct answer. First one. What was said to be our good friend? What was said to be our good friend? A. Books. B. Stories. C. Songs. And the second question is, what do books do for us? What do books do for us? Yes. A. Make us sick. B. Make us cry. C. Make us happy. Yes. Next, third one, children. What are found in books? Third question is, what are found in books? A. Stories. B. Cars. C. Toys. Next, fourth one. Children, listen carefully. Fourth question. What will make books live long? What will make books live long? A. Writing them. B. Coloring them. C. Taking care of them. Yes. And the next fifth question is, which is not good for books? Which is not good for books? A. Reading them. B. Tearing the pages. C. Taking care of them. Now, children, again, I'll give the answers. Let's go back to the question again. First one, what were said to be our good friend? For that, answer is books. First one, A, books. And the second question, what do books do for us? For that, answer is C, make us happy. Make us happy. And third question, what are found in books? What are found in books? The answer is stories. The answer is A, stories. Next, fourth question, what will make books live long? What will make books live long? The answer is C, taking care of them. And the fifth question, which is not good for books? Which is not good for books? That is, tearing the pages. Tearing the pages is not good for books. Okay? Yes. The next one, children, write the opposites. Next B bit, write the opposites. First one, ugly, beautiful. Ugly, opposite, beautiful. Bad, good. Bad, opposite, good. And C bit, pick out the noun and pronoun. Read the sentence. They are our good friends. Once again, they are our good friends. Here, they is pronoun. Friends, friends, noun. Children, next D bit, underline the pronoun. Children, underline the pronoun. We should not tear their pages. We should not tear their pages. So we, here pronoun is we and there. We, there. These two words are pronouns. Next E bit, children, write the plurals. First one, book, books. Second, friend, friends. Third one, song, songs. Next, after that, children, next bit. Already we have learned in previous class about punctuation marks, children. Now, let us discuss the topic, conventions of writing. Okay? Read the sentence properly and make the necessary corrections. First sentence, children. First, I will read out. Conventions of writing. Read the following passage. Make necessary corrections using proper punctuation. Capital letter, full stop, question mark, apostrophe, and spelling. Rewrite the sentences. Okay? First sentence. Who was Ekalavya? Ekalavya was a young and active boy. Children, here, who was Ekalavya? That is question. After Ekalavya, instead of full stop, we should use question mark. And then Ekalavya. Ekalavya was a young and active boy. Here, Ekalavya, here small letter is given. We should use capital letter because it is proper noun, name of a person. First letter, beginning letter should be capital letter. So, write there capital letter E instead of small letter. Okay? Then, in the same sentence, young, Y-U-N-G, that is also wrong. Young. Spelling is wrong, children. You write there Y-O-U-N-G, young. Okay. Then, boy. Children, Ekalavya was a young and active boy. There, we should use full stop, not question mark. Okay? Yes. The next sentence is, he said, I am the son of the chief of Nishadas. Here, children, he said, children, space, A-M. I am the son of the chief of Nishadas. Okay? And the next one. Next bit, children. Yes, listen. Ekalavya cut his thumb and offered it to Dronacharya. Then he started walking back home. His father, the king of the jungle tribes of Nishada, saw him. He came running to Ekalavya. Here, once again, children, I will read out. Ekalavya cut his thumb and offered it to Dronacharya. Then he started walking back home. His father, the king of the jungle tribes of Nishada, saw him. He came running to Ekalavya. Now write the possible conversation between Ekalavya and his father. Okay? Yes. Now, father asked, Ekalavya, why are your hands bleeding? Father asked the children, Ekalavya, why is your hands bleeding? Now Ekalavya answered, I myself cut off my right thumb. Father asked, are you mad? Why did you do that? Then Ekalavya answered, Guru Dronacharya asked me to give him my right thumb as Guru Dakshina. Then father said, what a cruel man Dronacharya is. Then Ekalavya said, no, dad, don't abuse him. He is my guru. children. And the next bit is, yes, fun with words. Fun with words. It's given in your textbook, children, page number 14. From the textbook, page number 14. Add OR or ER to fill in the missing letters and read them. First one, EMPEROR, emperor. Second, DOCTOR, doctor. Number 3, MOTOR, motor. Number 4, MIRROR, mirror. 5, ACTOR, actor. 6, RAZOR, razor. 7, SAILOR, sailor. 8, TAILOR, tailor. Again, the next side, children. First one, WINTER, winter. Second, FARMER, farmer. Third, RULER, ruler. 4, STRANGER, stranger. 5, SPIDER, spider. 6, STEAMER, steamer. 7, DANGER, danger. 8, WINNER, winner. Yes, children, now we have come to the end of the today's class. So do the given homework, children. Follow the guidelines for homework. After completing the previous topics in classwork, which is given on 4th day, that is on 6th August, just you continue these bits in your classwork. First bit, Ekalavya cut his thumb and offered it to Dronacharya. Then he started walking back home. His father, the king of the jungle tribes of Nishida, saw him. He came running to Ekalavya. Now write the possible conversation between Ekalavya and his father. Okay? Yes. Children, to do this homework, again you go back to your pages in the device according to the given topic and copy in the classwork. This bit, this first bit, you see in device page 13. Okay? And then second bit, conventions of writing. Conventions of writing. Read the following sentence. Make necessary corrections using proper punctuation. Okay? That is in page number 12 in your device. Okay? And then third bit, fun with words. That is also in page number 14 in device. Okay? Fun with words. Next, fourth bit, passage 1. That is scene passage, children. Copy the passage and write all the given bits. Okay? Next, fifth bit, passage 2. That is unseen passage. Copy the passage and also write all the given bits in your classwork. Okay? Yes. Now, complete the classwork neatly and clearly without any mistakes, children, and also learn perfectly. Okay, children. Again, we'll meet in next class. Thank you.